I'm trying to be as positive as I can, bro. I just did a whole apartment series, a whole apartment tour, and I might not be able to get an apartment anytime soon. What's good, y'all? Julian Barboza back with another video, and we're gonna be doing a little mukbang real quick. So let me show y'all what I got to eat. So I don't know if y'all have this in Texas, but it's called DQ, Dairy Queen. First, we got some fries. And to be honest, I didn't get this for the food. I got this because I wanted some ice cream. This is a peppermint chocolate chip blizzard. But this thing looks so good. And then I just got a number one called the Hunger Buster. Let me get a few bites and then we'll start talking. All right, so I actually stopped here while I'm on the way back to San Antonio. If y'all don't know, I've really been trapping out the Airbnb for like past week, 2 weeks, something like that. And I'm finally going back home. If y'all haven't been keeping up on my videos, I'm gonna give you a little gist of what's been happening. So I've been staying in the Airbnb, looking for apartments everywhere, all different areas of Houston. I've stayed in like 3 or 4 different Airbnbs. And so we've been touring, but it's finally time for me to go back home. And I'm just gonna start it off, just keep it real with y'all. If y'all remember, my favorite, Rosa's favorite, and all of y'all's favorite was the high bank, all right? Dang. You like this? Yeah? I like it a lot too. Good lighting, like you said. So everybody, I like the high bank, everybody liked the high bank. So I actually applied an application. I submitted an application because the reason we picked the high bank was because it was cheap, the area was decent, nice apartment, good lighting, everything we were looking for. Anyways, I think I applied on Wednesday. Fast forward to Friday, Juliana, the apartment locator, which she helps me find apartments and stuff, she calls me and says, yo, Julian, they're having trouble verifying your income. And I was like, bro, I knew this was gonna happen, bro. I knew like this was a problem I'm gonna run into. So I was just happy the problem's here because then I can solve it. And let's not get it wrong, income is not an issue. Me paying for rent is not an issue. The issue is proving my income, proving that I'm gonna pay, proving that I have as much money as they do, proving that I have enough money for rent. And I don't have a regular job, so I don't get a pay stub every month. I don't get my income fluctuates. 1 month I might do really bad, and then another month I might do 10 times what this month was, you know what I'm saying? So it's really hard for an apartment complex to verify my income. So at the high bank, they actually did a different kind of way to verify income. And how they do it was they get all your deposits, so all the pluses to your bank account, and then they get all the negatives from your bank account, all the withdrawals, and they put them together. So however much money you have at the end of the month is how much money you have to spend on rent. That's not really fair for me because the way my life's set up, I pay all my bills at the end of the month. I haven't been paying rent, so I'm not gonna put money aside for rent. So when they looked at my statements, they're like, yeah, you don't make enough. Just for reference, in December, I'm like, bro, how y'all gonna tell me I didn't make enough when I can pay for a year's rent right now, you know what I'm saying? And I asked them like, yo, can I pay in advance? Can I give y'all 3 months? Can I, work something out? Business is negotiable. And they were like, nah, that's how we calculate income, da-da-da-da. And I was trying everything, man. I legit tried everything. I tried giving more statements. I tried my taxes. I tried a whole bunch of things, and just the way they did things did not work. So I learned quickly, like, I need to figure out how to verify my income so this doesn't happen to any more apartments. So now all the rest of the apartments, I call them and I ask them, how do you guys verify income? The way that verifying income works for me is that, let's say October, November, December, 5,000, 7,000, and 4,000. Then you add them all up and then you could divide it, and that's like a rough average of your income, or even just the incomes. And just for reference, my incomes matched all the rents that I needed to pay. If you add all the deposits, all the pluses for October, all the pluses for November, all the pluses for December, and it makes enough for the rent. So proof of income should not be a problem, but it really has been. But I'm getting a little riled up. Let me try this ice cream real quick. The mint chocolate chip, not even mint, peppermint chocolate chip. Dang, this thing is good, look. This thing is really good. I'm gonna save this because this burger has onions and I don't want to have onion breaths. That has peppermint, so it's like a dessert and like a little mouthwash at the same time. So I figured out how I need to verify income. So our second on the list was Ultimate May.
I can go outside so you can record.
Yeah, we do YouTube and social media, so we do need good lighting.
Yeah, this one, that's why I kind of recommended this one out of the two. This one's going to have the best lighting. It's going to be like in the front, and you also have nicer views.
Okay. So the thing about Ultimate May, I did not like the area. The area reminded me too much of San Antonio, bro. Why am I gonna want to move to Houston when the area reminds me of San Antonio? And I just feel like I need to be your surroundings, what's around you. The area is very important to where you're living. And another thing, this is not really a huge problem, but I just didn't like it. Right in front of the apartment was a one-way street, and there was always a lot of cars, a lot of traffic. It's by the medical center. So it wasn't making sense at all. Why would I want to move there? And then the units themselves they were all right. But I think another tipping point was, guys, I'm not a disrespectful person. So whenever people disrespect me for no reason, or at least they don't have a reason, it's kind of annoying. So the lady that does the whole leasing thing, you know, people that handle all the problems, the first time she seemed very stressed, like she was having a rough day. I seen her tour, and then she just went to another tour to us. So me and Rosa actually went to go tour Ultimate Main a second time, and the lady was rude again. So I'm not gonna live somewhere where that's just the energy, that's just the vibes. And another a resident that lived there, I seen her ask another question again, and she was rude to her again. So it's like, bro, why am I gonna move here? I don't like the area, I don't like the people. Units are okay, the price is like, I don't know. So Ultimate Main, cut off. I told Rosa after we left the touring, we're not living there. So now we're on our third option, and that's where we are today. So last night I applied for the Broadstone, which is in the gallery with the pond. Nice and open. Dang, I could already see the couch and TV in here. Big old patio. You can see the pond. Dang. Sheesh. So I applied to that one last night. To be honest, I'm not gonna have my hopes up. I don't think I'm gonna get accepted again. And honestly, the 1 month that's messing me up is October. I don't know what I was doing in October, how much money I was making, what I was doing, but that month I didn't make like a lot of money. You're supposed to make 3 times the income. I think I made like $500 less than what the 3 times the income was supposed to be. So that month is kind of messing me up. So what I'm thinking, what I might have to do is wait until the 21st of January, because that's when I get paid. If y'all didn't know, that's when YouTube pays people. I'm gonna wait till the 21st, and then I'm hoping that I could use my bank statements from January 21st and then go 90 days back or 3 months back. If I can't do that, then I might have to just wait till January and then relook for apartments all over again, because the units that we toured are not the units that are gonna be available in January 21st, which is in like 2 weeks, or in February. I'm trying to be as positive as I can, bro. I just did a whole apartment series, a whole apartment tour, and I might not be able to get an apartment anytime soon. But what I did learn is I know how the whole process works. I know what I want, I know what I'm looking for. I know all the terms, all the conditions, the prices, what's a good price, what's a good area. I know the areas I want to live in. So I didn't 100% waste my time or not learn anything. So I think we're on a good track. But guys, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do for 2 weeks. When I go back home in San Antonio, I feel like really chill and calm, and like I never know what to do. Like I don't know what videos to film when I'm at home. So I'm gonna try to come up with videos. One thing I do want to say though is while I'm at home, I'm really gonna enjoy and spend time with my family, because this might be like the last few weeks before I officially move into my apartment. I don't know how I'm gonna look for an apartment again. I guess I'm gonna have to come back to Houston, tour apartments again. Let me know if y'all want me to document those. I might just put them on my second channel too, because I don't want to flood this one with too much apartment tours, because I'm not like an apartment tour YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? But if you haven't yet, go subscribe to my second channel, Extra Barboza, and only subscribe if you watch my videos, okay? If you don't watch all my videos and then you subscribe, it's gonna be trying to show you videos, and then you just gonna mess up the whole algorithm, right? So let's not mess up the algorithm. Only go subscribe if you watch all my videos. But that's pretty much where I'm at now. I'm done touring apartments. I applied to 2 apartments already. I'll let y'all know in another video what happened with Broadstone. If I get accepted, obviously I'm gonna make a video about it, but we will see. But yeah, I'm kind of in a little pickle right now. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And I just want to say, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the double uploads. I'm trying to figure out what I should do, so maybe y'all can help me in the comments. I don't know if double uploads are good for my channel, you know what I'm saying? I think it's good to upload every day, but 2 videos a day, I don't know if that's good. So what I'm thinking about doing is just doing 2 videos a day, but 1 on each channel. So my main channel, my second channel, Extra Barboza, I think videos do better when I only post once a day. That I might just be tripping. The video ideas might just not be banger whenever I post 2 videos a day. I don't know, but let me know what y'all think. So it's been a long, stressful week. I have not been sleeping. I'm not gonna lie. I've been waking up like 8 or 9 o'clock, picking up Rosa, you know, doing whatever we do all day, tour apartments, whatever, uploading, trying to get everything on time, and then film 2 videos, maybe 3 videos in a day, and then I'm uploading them all night. I talked to my editor, he's in India, so I stay up to like 3 or 4, and it's just been a long cycle. And I don't mind that, bro. I love grinding, I love working. It feels good to get y'all videos, and that's why whenever y'all comment on my videos and, you know, tell me, yo, I like this video, whatever, it means a lot, because there's a lot that goes behind everything. And trying to look for an apartment, it's a big decision. And honestly, I don't want to make a big decision being stressed, being tired, and obviously you need food to make good decisions. So I think it's good if I go home, and I haven't been home since last year, so I think it's a good thing to go home. But yo guys, that is the end of the video. After I finish this food, I'm driving 3 hours back to San Antonio. I haven't seen my family since last year. But let me know what videos y'all want to see while I'm home. And one more question I have for y'all, all right? Just so I know if you watched the full video. I want to make a new Instagram account just for my real ones, you know what I'm saying? People that really watch my videos, that stay updated with me. Because there's some people that follow me but don't know anything that's happening in my life. So I want to ask you guys for advice, ask you guys questions, talk to y'all, DM y'all. So comment Instagram usernames, all right? And I'm thinking about making a Discord too. I'm gonna make a Discord and an Instagram. Because I want to be really organized this year. That's my goal. And if you haven't yet, click on one of these videos. Go watch my other videos.